Hi! Welcome back to our channel. We just wanted to share our progress, how far we are with our build. So far we've got a ceiling, walls, floors, bulkhead, lights and finished the fan. So enjoy the video, sit back, relax, like and subscribe and drop a comment if you've got any. See you soon. Thanks for watching. In your face! I've done it! I've done it! I've done it! Done it! Done it!
So are we doing something?
No.
Yes, we do.
We put in the cladding now, or the ceiling cladding. The walls we finish. It's a struggle with the cut over there,
Yeah,
but we hope we
manage.
manage. We made a little mistake, which is at the end of the van, as you can see. We didn't calculate, and this button, it's a little bit too low.
Yeah.
So now when you go back, you can see there is like a
Curve.
I don't know if you can see there is a curve.
It's a curve there, but it looks cool.
Yeah, we're not gonna worry about that because nobody ever gonna stand there, are we?
Yeah.
So this is
No,
it's just for us. It looks a little bit when you're standing here,
it looks
but it
nice
doesn't
anyway.
matter for us.
Have a nice shape.
So we decided to go for 4 lights in our ceiling, and we've got them from the back to front. So this one is right in the middle above the bed, then the next one where the seats are, so the end of the bed. Then there is one sort of like in a sitting area and one in a kitchen area. I don't think we need more. Oh, we have a light and it's working. Yippee! Here we go. A little battery just to
9
check
volts
if
battery.
all the connections are done. 9 volts battery. All the connections are done. But yeah, it is working. We managed to connect onto the temporary battery our fan, so let's try and see if it's working. Hope we're ready for it. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let me put it on. Yay! Oh, it's so cool. It is working, so that's wonderful.
Cool.
Yeah, so let me see what options we've got in there. Hold on, I cannot see it. Okay, so this one, oh, it's changing the speed of the thingy, of the fan. Let me put it lower. It's not really that loud, is it? Then
No,
this
it's
one
not.
is, it's air in now. Oh, this one is air out, so it's supposed to stop and start the other way. Yay!
I didn't catch that.
Well, it's working.
Yeah.
It's definitely working. And then, oh, you can set the temperatures, and also, oh yeah, you can do it with the, it's working when you close the roof. So it's good when it's a rain, you can still use it.
What are you doing?
I'm chilling.
Chilling?
I'm chilling on my new floor. What are we doing this weekend? This weekend we're gonna paint the walls with a white wood stain, and I'm gonna paint the bulkhead, and we finish attaching the floor.
Right. Alright then, so we go to sleep. What's the time?
It's 10.
10?
21:54. Oi.
It's gone. We don't see.
So today we're gonna be trying using the samples, trying to stain the wood because I'm not sure what colors I want and how I want. I know I want it bright, but I'm not sure which colors to use. I've never done it before. So we've ordered some samples. I want to try them all first and then we'll see. So I think we sort of decided this is going to a bin and this is going to a bin, right?
Yeah.
This we like the texture but we don't like the color.
No, it's too. No, it's not
too
nice.
poo-poo.
How you want to call it, but it's not nice. Yeah.
Yeah. This between them three. Obviously this one is not fully dry. I think we decided that it's gonna be between them two. This one. So today is the day of painting. As you can see, I already painted the bulkhead. So now I'm gonna put some pattern here, but I don't want to talk about it because I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with it. And I'm starting to do the walls and ceiling. I do it some other time because I think I need a different dye. So after our trial day, when we tried all of our wood stains samples, we decided to go, no surprise, most probably, for Little Fair's soft white, which was this one.
Don't forget to subscribe, or I will. Just kidding. Bye.
Just wanna get lost. It's the only thing I wanna do. I wanna go